Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you these fantastic extractors and what makes them better than the competition. Now, first off, this is a large case. A lot of the competitors have the same images, but they're at 3/4 scale, so you get a tiny little product. Now, inside, you're gonna get a variety of extractors. Now, something nice about this is that they are of medical grade steel, okay? These are fantastic. And they are going to be designed to not spread bacteria. Now you get 7 total extractors and the high quality case. That's a bonus. The case and the extractors are stored in an air-conditioned facility in the United States that is going to keep them hygienic. A lot of overseas competitors put them on a ship overseas. They don't have them hermetically sealed, and molds, fungus, all sorts of things can grow on the extractor while they're stored for years at a time overseas. These ones are straight out of the United States. You can see the gripping material here, and each one is inspected for quality. That's another aspect. A lot of the competition are going to give you ones with busted zippers, 3/4 size, or if you look closely, you'll be able to see bacteria on them. Like you can see mildew and mold. These ones are fantastic, brand new, and of high quality. Now, there's a variety of loops in here. You have your, the equivalent of like a Schomburg extractor, which is the type that Dr. Sandra Lee uses. That one's really nice. You have a bunch of different options. You can see each side. So there's 14 different sides here. Plus, on top of all that, there's going to be what is my favorite. This is the Lancet. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. The Lancet itself is going to allow you to puncture those larger punctums and really pop the big stuff. All right, now you've got 7 different extractors, including a spade, which is going to be good for like cleaning your pores around your nose. Just press this around your nose, and you have the bigger extractor tool right here as well. Again, sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you. There you go. So you get a variety of tools, each one with 2 sides, this thicker handle here, high quality, and something that is shipped right out of the USA, Amazon Prime, and available for you. Again, medical grade steel, air-conditioned facility, full-size professional quality tools, high quality zipper, the genuine case. This can't be beat. So if you're looking for a great set of extractors, folks, go ahead and pick these up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're gonna love them.